My name's Kevin Bonkowski. I'm from Westwood, New Jersey. I am a local contractor. I like, building things. I like the satisfaction of improving people's houses, things like that. It's just a passion of mine that I've always liked. In 2016, I had a hernia repair, and I had really bad varicose veins. When I used to be just squatting down, getting up was not easy. I found Dr. Chuback, came here, and it's basically been a lifesaver ever since.
When he came to me, his legs were really sick, very swollen, huge varicose veins, highly symptomatic. And this was getting in the way of his ability to do his work as a contractor because he's still very much hands-on.
I had it for a long time. I didn't think of it as anything problematic because it really didn't hurt that much, but it was very visible. I guess you don't realize the pain that you're in until it's basically fixed. My overall health, you just feel a lot better, especially my legs. Treatments, I'm usually in and out in a half hour, and I go back to work. You're not laid up at all after the procedures.
In many ways, it turned his life around. And I would say that Kevin's health now is better than when he was 15 years younger.
They've helped me out tremendously.